Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am gonna show you guys how to make intros, awesome intros for your own YouTube channel. So many of you guys probably be like, how do I make this intro? And then you'll be like, you know what, I'm just going to steal someone's intro, and then I'll be like, wow, this is awesome. I just overlap my name on that intro, and they're like, wow, this is the best intro I've ever made. I'm so smart. But guys, don't worry, don't have to deal with this problem anymore. Sorry, I just hit my mic. If you have a computer, this would be your best choice. It's on the handphone, it doesn't really work. So my friend, the randomizer 22, which is Roblox name, is Wasteful Bilbo. I have no idea how I get that name, but okay. So basically, I'm gonna teach you how to get to the website. Is Panzoid. If you guys are popular YouTubers, you probably should know. And when you click the website, you find a lot of these things, and if you find yours beautifully over here, you just do it. But usually, I would recommend clicking here. Then it will bring you to this screen. And yeah, some of these are awesome. Like, look at this. So since this is perfect, I might as well just make my intro now. Like, I'm gonna pick this skin, this, I don't know, and lower the volume in case my ear was gonna break when I do the thing. If I can get this thing to hurry up, okay. Basically, they're made by other people. Goodness, it's so loud! Damn it! Goodness, it's so damn loud! I can't stand the noise. Wow, this is awesome. This is an awesome intro. Who doesn't like this? Okay, so basically the next step you're gonna do, if you want to change some edit, you can just do it, but then I have to recommend, in case you destroy, you click this and then everything gets ruined. You don't want to do that. So you just change the text, all this stuff, but since this one is too many, I'm not gonna do it. Like, I'm probably gonna take this one. Just check. Probably this one. Probably for my YouTube channel, I'm gonna use this intro. Probably not. So if you guys you can just see like this because you can't really see. You can you click this eye thing and then you just see this red image out there. This is how how you would see it. Let's see. It's such a short intro, but it's so cool. Same thing, you go here and hope you can find one. Okay, so we're gonna change this to my channel name, Wood Boss. I know I'm posting it both on Wood Boss and on the other one, Elzorgi. I don't like this currency news. It's very annoying. So I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna copy, and then here, paste, boom, done. I think that's pretty much it. Let's check. It looks weird. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you click here, and you want to change the web. If you know how to use this, I cannot use this. My computer cannot open it. I use web. It depends on your computer. I don't want this. Just click X, it doesn't matter. So you have to wait for this thing, and it will take a while for it to load. It depends on your computer, internet, or sometimes the video length. So I'm not gonna wait for this for you guys. It might be boring, so I'm gonna pause the video here. Alright guys, it's almost done. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. So now you go here and click download your video, and then it'll be this weird stupid ads. I don't even bother looking at them, and here it is. Basically, if you guys are scared since the volume is so loud, I'm not sure you can change that, but basically this is all I want to show you guys. Look at this. Goodness, it's gonna take a while. Yeah, I really like it. It's so nice to watch. It's so hard to do this. I'm gonna watch it. He's so funny to watch this. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then that you can use who knows, Bandicut. Then you just merge the videos together, and you get. But I don't recommend Bandicut. It's so slow. I don't recommend it. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, which I don't think you guys did. It's a very short. It's not even a game video. It's just a tutorial. Okay, so this is just, yeah, he's always playing natural disaster. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and to subscribe, as if this tutorial did help you guys. So if that like, if this tutorial helped you guys, it would be really awesome if you get at least 10 views, guys. I know I get like 1, 2, 3 views. I know I suck, but okay. So anyways, guys, hope you have a nice day, and this tutorial really helped you getting your channel intro. Peace out.